Have you ever wondered why your dog gets so excited when you walk through the front door? Why they stare at you with those loving eyes, follow you from room to room, or seem to know exactly when you're feeling down? For thousands of years, humans and dogs have shared an extraordinary relationship unlike any other in the animal kingdom. But is it really love? Or is your dog simply waiting for its next meal? Science has been searching for the answer, and the discoveries are absolutely fascinating. Today, we're exploring the biology, psychology, and evolution behind one of the strongest bonds on Earth, the connection between dogs and humans. And by the end of this video, you may never look at your furry best friend the same way again. The relationship between humans and dogs didn't happen overnight. Scientists believe dogs evolved from wolves that began living near human settlements between 15,000 and 30,000 years ago. The wolves that were less fearful of people had easier access to scraps of food. Over countless generations, those friendlier wolves survived and reproduced. Eventually, they became something entirely different: dogs. This process is known as self-domestication, and it fundamentally changed canine behavior. Unlike wolves, dogs evolved to understand human emotions, gestures, and communication. In many ways, dogs became specialists at living with people. Their survival depended on it. Perhaps the most incredible discovery involves a hormone called oxytocin. Often called the love hormone or bonding hormone, oxytocin is released between mothers and babies during nurturing interactions. Researchers found that something remarkable happens when dogs and humans simply gaze into each other's eyes. Both experience an increase in oxytocin. In other words, looking at your dog literally strengthens your emotional bond at a biological level. The same chemical that helps parents bond with their children is activated between humans and dogs. It's one of the strongest pieces of evidence suggesting that dogs don't merely tolerate us. They form genuine emotional attachments. Have you ever noticed your dog cuddling you after a bad day? That's probably not your imagination. Studies show dogs can recognize human facial expressions. They distinguish happy faces from angry ones. They also detect changes in tone of voice and body language. Even more impressive, dogs can smell subtle chemical changes produced by stress or fear. Their noses contain hundreds of millions of scent receptors, allowing them to perceive things humans never could. When you're anxious, sad, or excited, your dog often knows before you've even said a word. This remarkable sensitivity helps explain why dogs excel as therapy animals, emotional support companions, and service dogs. Many owners joke that they can never go to the bathroom alone, but why do dogs shadow us constantly? Behavior experts believe it's partly rooted in pack instincts. In the wild, social animals stay close together because separation can be dangerous. Your dog views you as a trusted member of its social group. Following you also creates opportunities for interaction, rewards, and reassurance. For puppies especially, humans become their secure base, the place where they feel safest. It's not necessarily clinginess. Often it's affection combined with evolutionary programming. Brain imaging studies have revealed another surprising fact. When researchers scanned dogs using MRI technology, they observed activity in reward centers when dogs smelled familiar humans. The scent of their owners activated regions associated with pleasure and positive emotions. For many dogs, their favorite human isn't simply another object in the environment. Their brain processes that person as someone deeply important. The attachment is measurable, it's neurological, and it's incredibly powerful. This question has fascinated scientists for years. Some experiments asked dogs to choose between food rewards and social praise. The results varied by individual personality, but many dogs preferred enthusiastic praise from their owners. Others valued both almost equally. That suggests the human relationship itself has become rewarding. For an animal descended from wolves, that's a remarkable evolutionary achievement. The bond has become so deeply embedded that attention and affection can rival one of life's most basic necessities. Not every dog expresses affection the same way. Breed genetics, early socialization, life experiences, and personality all play important roles. Dogs raised with gentle handling often develop stronger trust. Rescue dogs may take longer to open up due to previous trauma. Meanwhile, some breeds were specifically developed to work closely alongside humans and naturally seek constant interaction. But regardless of breed, patience and consistency build stronger relationships. Trust isn't forced, it's earned. Interestingly, humans benefit from this relationship too. Spending time with dogs has been linked to lower stress levels, reduced feelings of loneliness, and improved emotional well-being. Petting a calm dog can reduce cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, At the same time, oxytocin levels rise in people as well. The relationship works both ways. It's a biological partnership that improves the lives of both species. Very few relationships in nature are this mutually beneficial. So, does your dog truly love you? Science can't read a dog's thoughts, but the evidence paints an incredible picture. Dogs evolved alongside humans for thousands of years. Their brains respond positively to us. Their hormones strengthen emotional bonds with us. They recognize our feelings, seek our company, and often choose our affection over food itself. Whether it's called love, attachment, or something uniquely canine, one thing is clear. The relationship between humans and dogs is unlike anything else in the animal kingdom. And every tail wag at the front door is a reminder of just how extraordinary that bond really is. In the description, there's a link to sign up for a free dog mini course and discover the secrets to raising a well-mannered, house-trained dog that always responds when you call. In just 6 days or less, you'll master the steps to housebreak your dog while learning how to teach essential obedience commands. You'll also learn how to end unwanted behaviors like excessive barking, jumping, leash pulling, nipping, or biting. Transform your pup into the perfect companion today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other dog lovers like you, and let us know in the comments. When did your dog first make you realize you were their favorite person? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.